Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Xiaomi 13 Lite louder. So, at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume app. Choose one of them, I'm always using the Goodif. So click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Click OK and now the tool is active. You can increase the booster by this little slider. You can increase that, sliding it to the right, and decrease it. Just adjust it to your needs, go back, and the tool is still active in the background apps. If you want to deny it, disable it, just open it from the background apps, choose stop service and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.